If you stop yourself from sneezing by covering your nose and mouth, something incredible happens to your body. A sneeze normally shoots out at 100 miles per hour, but if you block all the exits, this pressure rebounds. First, your eardrums swell and bend inwards. Then, the soft tissue in your throat begins to tear. The pressure is so strong that the blood vessels in your eyes can even burst. In real cases, people have had their neck veins tear and even bleeding in their brain membranes. So, next time you sneeze, don't try to stop it. Your body's doing it for a reason. If you want to see this kind of content, don't forget to like and follow our channel.